Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to export Instagram edits video without a watermark. So let's get straight into the video. So it's a very simple and easy step-by-step process. The first thing you want to do is open your edits application. I'm on my projects tab. I'm going to go ahead and open this little project that I have. Now, in order to export it, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on the 4K tab. You can choose your resolution from here, your frame rate, your color, whatever you want to export it at, either HDR, SDR, 24, 30, or 60 frames, or HD, 2K, or 4K. I'm going to do 4K 60 HDR and click on next. Now it's going to start the export process. Once it finishes the export process, which we are going to be waiting for a little bit. Now, once your video is exported, all you need to really do is simply go ahead and click on the download button right over here, and it'll save into your gallery with no watermark, just like that. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.